Okay, so the power hammer's in. Obviously just need to sort out these oil bits here to make a bracket to cross hold them together. It's wired up. It's a runner. Me and Sam got it in this morning. He obviously drove the Sanderson. Oil in, hammers are in. And 3-phase. Just need to bolt it down to the stand now. Make that a bit more rigid. These would work loose. These are the original Chinese. These are 4.8, so I'm going to replace them for 10.8. 8.8, sorry. I've got them on order. Threaded bar. I need to fix the motor down because that's bouncing where that frame there is bent backwards. So I'm just going to tack it front and back. Maybe some little braces either side with them, stop it from moving around on that platform, and then I'm going to make some fixings for the floor. But there we are. I'm really chuffed. So that's pretty much a full rebuild now, so seen in the videos, it's a pretty scary piece of kit. This is Sam was having a go before. I had a little go myself. Piece of cold box section. Paint the backside. There you go. So I'll put some footage of that running in for this for you guys to see. I've had to play around with the valve settings as well. Try and find the sweet spot where the hammer goes up, and obviously to make it run properly. Thinking I might take this off today, take it home, drill it and tap it, and put a little handle on the end like a ball. And then just sort of fine tuning after that, I guess. Obviously these bits that I cut today on the mini band, so that one I modified, I'm really chuffed with this. This is 4140, this is tough and how accurate, let's cut that. You can see there on the centre, again on the centre. So what these are going to be are, ow, just cut yourself there, following dies for that. They're obviously going to slide over the hammer dies and bolt on there. Yeah, basically like these, but obviously much quicker. Use them for drawing out and forging the cheeks on the axis, hopefully. That's right, guys. I'll see you in a bit.